Hi friends, welcome to Agnicart. Today in this tutorial, I'll show you how to customize the footer menu of your website to suit your needs. Okay, let's get started. Let me go to the admin console, and first thing that we need to do is we need to create our footer menu. So in the menus, add menu, I'll just give a name as footer menu. I'll save it and I'll go to the footer menu and we need to add a menu item. Before we add a menu item, I'll just explain it to you that the footer menu is a two-level menu in Agnicart, meaning you have a header. Basically, as you can see, it is the footer is divided into four segments, or you can have five segments. It automatically adjusts, but the important thing is it has a header and also the links that you can add to the under each header. All right, so with that in mind, let's go ahead and let's add the first menu item. So it will be a header, and header, the menu item type is a custom because we just want a text. So I'll just add about us. Title is about us. It's 0 and I'll save it. All right, here you have about us, and I'll add another menu item, and this time it's basically a page. Okay, so before we add a page, we need to create a page. So let's just go ahead and create a page. So I already added a page. Let me just delete it and let me add a page. It's a new page about us. So this is a about us page. I'll mark it as publish and I'll save. So a page is created. Now we'll add this page to the footer menu that we just created. So we add a menu item, and this is a page. It's about us, about us, parent is about us that we created. All right, so now here it's not yet reflected. That's because we have not associated the menu to the theme. So under customize, I'll go to the footer menu and I'll select the footer menu that we just created. After that, you should see your menu reflected here. Yep. So about us, it's a little confusing, so let me just go to the menu. What I'll do is in the footer menu, the top level, I'll just name the title as company, right? So that way you can actually see the details here. Let's add terms and conditions and privacy policy pages as well. Add page, terms and conditions. This is conditions page. If you want to make it bold, it's basically a HTML editor, and you can make changes to it. It's a WYSIWYG editor. So page is added. Let me also add another page, privacy policy. So I'll just publish it. Save. Okay, so let me come back to the menus. I'll come back to the footer menu. I'll add a menu item. I'll select the pages. So terms and condition. Parent is company. Save. There we go. It's terms and conditions. Now add menu item. Select as pages. This time it's privacy policy. Parent is company, and I'll save it. There you go. And you can see that you have all these pages, and when you click on it, it will take you to that particular page. So this is how you customize your footer menu in Agnicart. Alright, in the next tutorial we will cover another topic. Thank you.